Hello guys, welcome to EduTap. I am your educator Prakash. I am a company secretary and a law graduate, and I welcome you all in the session of Important MCQs, in which today we are going to discuss the important MCQs related to chapter 5th and chapter 5th of the Indian Penal Code 1860. So guys, we have already discussed the MCQs related to previous parts of Indian Penal Code. So today we are going to discuss chapter 5th and chapter 5th. And guys, this is going to be the lecture number 18th. So those who have not watched the previous sessions, they can watch the previous session by going to the playlist of SEBI Grade A legal exam, SEBI Grade A legal exam on our YouTube channel, guys. So you will access all the important videos that we have recorded till here, guys. Right? So let's proceed. Guys, as you all know that we have launched practice 5000 plus MCQ course for SEBI Grade A legal examination, and that too for paper 2. This course will cover the entire syllabus of phase 1 as well as phase 2. So you will get to know how to implement, how to apply your theoretical knowledge in the practical context, right? So you will get to know all these things when you solve this course, right guys? And as a part of this course, you will be given the chapter wise MCQs, that is the chapters which are the part of the syllabus of SEBI Grade A legal examination. You will get the questions accordingly. And guys, as a part of this course, you will be given 500 plus free MCQs, right? Free 500 plus MCQs. For that you do not need to pay anything. So guys, take advantage of these 500 plus MCQs, and if you find them suitable, if you find that they are helping you in your preparation, then you can have this course so that you can take your preparation at the next level, right friends? We have launched another course of SEBI Grade A Legal Free Starter Pack. This is a 7-day free starter pack course in which you will get to know all important things like the eligibility for this examination, like the cutoff for this examination, the profile and salary of SEBI Grade A legal officer, etc., etc. A lot of things you will get to know as a part of this course. And guys, this is absolutely free. For that you do not need to pay anything. And those 500 questions which we have discussed right now, you will get those 500 questions as a part of this course also, right? So do enroll for this course, the link of which given in the description box below. Now guys, those who are new here, do subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel to get the latest updates as well as the PDF of our YouTube sessions. So these are our achievers for Saturday's questions, right? So Simi Prasad, Jyoti Namdev, Gaurav Mishra and Ujjwala, right? So they all are our achievers. They have marked the questions very correctly. Guys, I salute your commitment and dedication. Believe me, this exercise is going to help you on your D-Day, right? So you will see the result on D-Day. Since you are solving, you are very much regular. Since Simi Prasad, Jyoti Namdev and Gaurav Mishra are very much regular in their marking answer, right guys? So I hope you got the clarity. Now let's move to the to important content. So guys, question number first is, abatement under section 107 of the Indian Penal Code can be constituted by, your options are instigation, conspiracy, intentional aid, only A and B, or A, B and C. That is all of the above. Hello Ranjay, good evening. Guys, you have to participate in the session. This is going to be helpful. Believe me, this is going to be very beneficial for you. So if you make mistakes, do mistakes here, learn from your mistakes. And guys, you are expected, you are supposed to do every kind of mistakes in this session itself. Sorry. And you're not supposed to do mistakes in your actual examination, right? So that is why these sessions are being conducted, so that you can take the full advantage of these sessions, right guys? You can gain a lot of things, you can do mistakes, you can learn from these mistakes. So for these purposes, these sessions are being conducted. So Ranjay is saying option number E, that is all of the above, right? Your answer is correct, Ranjay, well done. So the right answer for question number first is option number E. So as per section 107 of the Indian Penal Code, abatement is constituted by 3 types, right? So instigating a person to commit an offense, or second, engaging in a conspiracy to commit it, or number third is intentionally aiding a person to commit it, right guys? So all these 3 criteria are there under section 107 of the Indian Penal Code. Ujjwala is saying option number E, Gaurav is saying option number E. Great, you all guys are correct, right? Now let's move to the question number 2. So guys, question number second is, which of the following statement is correct for abatement under Indian Penal Code? Guys, chapter number 5th is quite confusing, right? So you have to take care while reading the statement, while highlighting the statement, as well as while understanding the statement, because chapter 5th is about abatement. So this is very confusing chapter, right guys? So if you have conceptual clarity, then only you can solve the question easily. So option number first is, it is necessary that the act abated should be committed successfully. It is necessary that the act abated should be committed though unsuccessfully. Option number third is, it is not necessary that the act abated should be committed. So your options are only first, only third, only both 1 and 2, either 1 or 2, or only second. Guys, do mention question number before marking your answer. I request you, do mention question number first, then mark your answer, so that I do not get confused what questions you are referring here, right guys? So tell me the right answer for question number second. What is the right answer for question number second, guys? Okay, Ranjay is saying option number B, that is only third. Okay, great. Ujjwala is saying option number B, that is only third, right? Gaurav is also saying option number B. Now let's see the right answer. So the right answer for this question is option number B. Great guys, you guys are doing very well. So if you read explanation 2 of section 108, so there it is written, to constitute the offense of abatement, it is not necessary, guys, read the statement properly, it is not necessary that the act abated should be committed or that the effect requisite to constitute the offense should be caused, right? So this is section 107, 108 are very much important. You have to have clarity about these sections, because a lot of questions can be framed from these provisions, as well as they are quite confusing in nature. Right, so okay, so you all have given the right answer. Now let's move to the question number third. So question number third is a case study, which is a favorite area of the examination conducting body, right? So question is, A instigates B to burn Z's house. Read the question properly. Then B sets fire to the house and at the same time commits theft of property there. So A is guilty of. Your question is, A is guilty of which of the following? So option number first is abetting burning of Z's house only, abetting burning of house and theft, theft only, or mischief, or none of the above. So which of the following is correct? And guys, do mention question number first, then mark your answer. So tell me the right answer for question number third. If you have conceptual clarity, then you can easily attempt this question. So guys, tell me the right answer for question number third. So the right answer for question number third is option number A, that is abetting burning of Z's house only. So Ranjay is saying option number A, great, right? So if you read section 111, so it is written that if an act is abetted and the abatement takes the form of instigation of an act, and a different act is done, that different act must be probable consequence, right? So here it is, this is very much important, that different act must be a probable consequence and committed under the influence of the instigation, and abater will be liable for act abated and also for the act done, if it is a probable consequence, right? For that abatement has been done. So Gaurav is saying option number A and Ujjwala is saying option number B. So right answer for this question is option number A, right? So in the question, A, though guilty of abetting the burning of the house, is not guilty of abetting the theft. For the theft is a distinct act and not probably a consequence of the burning, right? So this is a separate act, right? For that, it is not a probable consequence of burning of house, right, guys? So I hope you got the clarity. Now let's move to the question number fourth. So do mention question number. Gaurav, please mention question number before marking your answer. So question number fourth is, A instigated B to murder C, who refuses to do. So right, guys, read the question. Here A instigated B to murder C, but B refused, right, guys? So A is guilty of which of the following? No offense, attempt to murder, abatement to commit murder, abatement to attempt to murder, or abatement to commit culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So tell me the right answer, guys, for question number fourth. Read the question properly. Here B refused, right? B refused. A instigated B, but B refused. So now tell the question number. Now tell the option for question number. Right answer for question number fourth. And don't forget to mention question number before marking your answer. Tell me guys, tell me the right answer for question number 4th. So the right answer for question number 4th is option number C, that is abetment to commit murder. Right? So here A is guilty of abetting B to commit murder. As per section 108, explanation number 2 provides that to constitute the offense of abetment, it is not necessary that the act abetted should be committed, right? Or that the effect requisite to constitute the offense should be caused. Right guys? So it is not necessary that abetted act should be committed, right? So if abetment has been done, then it doesn't matter whether act has been done or not. So Ranjay is saying option number 4th E, it's the right answer is option number C. Ujjwala is saying correct. Option number C is the right answer for this question, right? Now let's move to the question number 5th. So guys, question number 5th is A instigates B to kidnap son of Z, right? Then B instigates C to do so and C kidnaps son of Z. Then in that case, read the question properly, then try to attempt that. So your options are only B is guilty of abetting C, only A is guilty of abetment, both A and B are guilty of abetment. A is not guilty of abetment because B did not commit the kidnapping. Had B did the kidnapping, then A would have been liable for abetment. And the last option is none of the above. So what is the right answer for question number 5th? Do tell me guys, what is the right answer for question number 5th? Read the question properly. So the right answer for question number 5th is option number C, that is both A and B are guilty of abetment, right? So guys, explanation 4 to section 108 says that the abetment of an offense being an offense, the abetment of such an abetment is also an offense, right? So B is liable to be punished for his offense with the punishment for kidnapping, and as A instigated B to commit the offense, A is also liable to the same punishment, right? So Ranjay is saying option number C. Yeah, your answer is correct. 5th C. Gaurav is saying C. Great guys. So the right answer for this question is option number C, right? Now let's move to the question number 6th. So question number 6th is whenever any person who is absent would be liable to be punished as an abettor is present when the act or offense for which he would be punishable in consequence of the abetment is committed, he shall be, your option is deemed to have committed such act or offense, liable for abetment of the offense committed, not liable for any offense, liable for criminal conspiracy, or none of the above. So guys, do tell me the right answer for question number 6th. Read the question properly, then attempt. You guys are participating really very well. I appreciate your efforts. And guys, these kind of exercises will believe me, these kind of exercises that definitely is going to help you in your actual examination, when you will appear in your actual examination, because in the actual examination you have to solve 50 questions in 40 minutes, right? So here you can practice, and here you can make the mindset, here you can make the habit to read the question faster and to answer that question. And that practice, that regular practice will definitely help you in your actual examination. So guys, tell me the right answer for question number 6. So the right answer is option number A, that is deemed to have committed such act or offense, right? So if you read section 114 of Indian Penal Code, that deals with the situation when the abettor is present while the act or the offense abetted is being committed, and in such a situation he shall be deemed to have committed the act or the offense, right? So 6th B, Gaurav is saying B. No, Gaurav, it's option number A, right? In that the question is about in the case in which abettor is present, right? So agar abettor present hai guys, so in that case he shall be deemed to have committed such act or offense. So those who are saying option number B, so that is incorrect. Option number A is the right answer for this question. Now let's move to the question number 7th. So question number 7th is, to constitute an offense of criminal conspiracy, what is the necessary condition to be proved? So your options are, there must be a prior meeting of 2 or more persons, there must be an agreement of 2 or more persons to do an illegal act or to do a legal act by illegal means. Option number C is, a person does an illegal act with the help of 2 or more persons. 2 or more persons commit a crime on a sudden provocation with guilty mind, or both B and C. So tell me the right answer for question number 7th. Tell me guys the right answer for question number 7th. Guys, these questions are very much important, right? So I suggest you that before your actual examination, that is on 20th February, you have to revise all these MCQs. That will be around 300 or 350 MCQs that you can easily revise within a matter of quick hours, right? So guys, you have to within a matter of few hours you can revise all these MCQs. So you have to revise, because I'll not be surprised if a lot of question will be there in your actual examination from these MCQs itself, because MCQs which we are discussing here are very much important, right? Very much important MCQs that we are discussing from every topic. It is not possible for us to cover that topic in a holistic manner, but what we are doing, we are selecting the important provisions and topics, and we are trying to cover in a form of MCQs, right guys? So I hope you are understanding here. So the right answer for question number 7th is Ranjay is saying option number E, Gaurav is saying option number E. So let's see, the right answer is option number B. That is, there must be an agreement of 2 or more person, right, to do an illegal act or to do a legal act by illegal means. Guys, read the question properly. So as per section 120A, to be liable of the offense of criminal conspiracy, the agreement, guys, the agreement must be to do or to cause to be done an illegal act or an act which is not illegal by illegal means, right? So option number B is the right answer for this question. So I hope you got the clarity. Now let's move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, abatement is complete as soon as. So your options are, the person instigated has done some overt act towards the commission of the offense. The person abater has incited another to commit an offense. The offense abated has been committed. Both A and B, both A and C. So which of the following is correct, guys? Tell me the right answer for question number 8. So Ranjay was saying for last question, that is question number 7th E. Gaurav is saying the same. So guys, that was right. That was not the right answer. Ujjwala is saying B. That was the right answer for the last question, question number 7th. So tell me the right answer for question number 8. So the right answer for question number 8 is option number B. That is, the abater has incited another to commit an offense, right? So abatement is complete as soon as the abater has incited another to commit an offense. So if you read section 108, so it provides that the offense of abatement is complete as soon as the abater has incited or instigated a person. The person has not abated the act or the desired consequence did not follow. Abater would still be made liable for the offense. So those who are saying option number B, that is correct. So Ranjay is saying option number D. So no, that is not the correct answer. The right answer is option number B only. Right guys? Gaurav is saying B. Yes, Gaurav, you are correct. So now let's move to the question number 9th. So question number 9th is, punishment of criminal conspiracy is provided under which section of the Indian Penal Code 1860? This is one of the most important question, right? So tell me the right answer. Your options are section 120, section 120A, section 120B, section 121 or section 119. So what is the right answer for question number 9? Tell me the right answer, guys, for question number 9. So the right answer for question number 9 is option number C, that is section 120B. So if you read section 120B, so that provides punishment for criminal conspiracy, right? So that is mentioned. So those who are saying C, Gaurav is saying option number C, that is very correct answer. Ranjay is saying the same, that is C. Yeah, Ranjay, you are correct. Right? Now let's move to the last question of the day. So the 10th question is, A instigates B to murder D, right? Then B, in pursuance of the instigation, stabs D. D recovers from the wound and A is guilty of which of the following? So your options are instigating B to commit murder, instigating B to commit hurt, A is not guilty, or A is guilty of murder or hurt, or A is guilty of hurt. So which of the following is correct, guys? Tell me the right answer for question number 10th. So those who were saying option number C for previous question, question number 9, they were correct, right? Now tell me the right answer for question number 10th. Read the question properly. A instigated B to murder D, but B, in pursuance of that instigation, stabs D. So he only stabs D, but A has instigated B to murder D, right? So read the question properly. Okay, Vikalp is saying option number 10th A. Gaurav is saying option number 10th B. Okay. Ranjay is saying option number 10th D. Okay, so we have variety of answer A, B, D. Now C and E is left. So what is the right answer, guys? The right answer for this question is option number A. So those who are saying A, Vikalp is saying A, that is the correct answer, instigating B to commit murder. So guys, explanation 2 of section 108 provides to constitute the offense of abetment, it is not necessary that the act abetted should be committed. Guys, that we have already discussed in previous questions, the same provision, or that the effect requisite to constitute the offense should be caused. Therefore, A is guilty of instigating B to commit murder, right guys? Though B has not murdered D, but in that case also A will be guilty of instigating B to commit murder. Guys, read the provision carefully. That is why I have said earlier in the starting of the session that chapter 5th is quite confusing, right? So you have to have the clarity about the provision of section chapter 5th, right guys? So these were all 10 questions, guys. Now today's question for achievers is abetment is defined under which section of the Indian Penal Code 1860. So your options are section 105, section 106, section 107, 108 or 109. So those who will give the correct answer of this question, then their name will be displayed on the tomorrow's session, right guys? So this is a question for achievers. So I hope you got the clarity. I hope you enjoyed the session and learned a lot of good things. So we'll meet tomorrow with another session, with another important quality session. Till then guys, have a good day and goodbye friends.